Hi, I'm Jared Doraguzzi, a press operator for the McCourt Label Company. I like the Domino because of the speed, the quality, and the consistency. It's unbeatable.
In the last 5 years, it became apparent to us that we really needed to invest in a digital press. So our vetting process was very thorough, and I think we looked at every major manufacturer out there. Variable imprinting capabilities kind of made it a no-brainer to go with the Domino.
The decision on when we decide to run a job digitally versus flexographic really depends on a lot of factors. If there's a lot of SKUs of a product, it obviously makes sense for us to run it digitally.
So now we're finding that jobs that maybe we didn't think were going to be Domino jobs, that they are, because of the higher print quality and lower scrap rate and less setup time, we're finding that we're moving those jobs to the machine as well.
We'll look at some other factors, such as if it's a clear label and we're going to print white. We like to run that on the Domino because the white is so opaque. It just produces a really great looking label.
Which leads us to where we are today with the decision to invest in Domino printing technology. We are able to take a job that takes an entire shift and move it to the Domino, and now it takes us 1 hour to produce. So that is a very significant savings in time and material. So we're looking to use the Domino not only for short run jobs, but also medium and longer run jobs in the 25,000 to 100-foot range, just because of the superior print quality and the speed that the press runs at is in many cases equivalent to our Flexo press.
From a sales and estimating standpoint, some of the things that we liked about the Domino was the wide variety of substrates that we could run through the machine. We liked that we didn't have to deal with a blanket size when configuring how we were going to run jobs. And we also liked the durability of the UV inks.